Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Today we present a rich yogurt-based mutton gravy, the legendary Rajasthani Laal Maans. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. For the ingredients, please check the description section. To begin with, I'll start deseeding the dry red chillies. I'm using Kashmiri red chillies. Then I'll soak it in hot water. Meanwhile, let us start marinating the mutton. I'll grind ginger and garlic in a fine paste and add it to the mutton pieces. Then in goes coriander seed powder, roasted cumin seed powder, and a tiny bit of turmeric powder. Then I'll season it with salt. Since the gravy is yogurt based, I am adding a generous amount of thick yogurt. Then mix all the ingredients thoroughly. And it is the time to prepare the chili paste. I will take the soaked dry red chilies in a blender jar and blend it to a fine paste. Then I'll add this prepared chili paste to the mutton. The intense red color of the gravy is from this chili paste. Now to get cooking, I'll heat up little amount of ghee in a pot. And add cloves. 2 cloves I will retain for the final tempering. Then I'll add green cardamom and around 10 peppercorns, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 bay leaf, 2 black cardamom, and allow these whole spices to get fried in the ghee thoroughly. Then I've sliced 3 medium-sized onion. I'll add it and fry the onion along with the whole spices till it is light brown in color. Then in goes the marinated mutton. I'll add a good amount of water. Put the lid on and I will cook the mutton till it is soft and flavorful. For the final tempering, I'll heat up little ghee, add 2 cloves to it, allow it to get crackled, and then I'll add this to the gravy. Please try this recipe and let us know about your comments. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.